Okay, paano naman daw i-highlight ang active cell sa Excel gamit ang BBA? Press lang natin sa ating keyboard, Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Application Editor. Double click lang natin itong this workbook. Then, lagay natin itong code na to. So, ilalagay ko yan sa comment section para makopy nyo lang. Close natin ang BBA editor natin, Alt Q. Then, save natin ang ating workbook as macro-enabled workbook. Save. At kapag sinalag na natin yung cell, the code removes the previous highlight at i-highlight niya ngayon ng bago yung active cell with the yellow background. Pwede nating palitan yung color niyan by adjusting the RGB values in the code. Okay? And that's it. Follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials.